In this lecture we will make a little setup for us to build the React router application and also something for the tests. First of all, we need to install React router, and I have installed React router. If I look at the version, it is currently at version 7. And the tests and the implementation for this newer version of React is fairly different from whatever is currently present on the internet. So if you will look at other tutorials, the things might be outdated. I will try to provide an up-to-date solution as possible. So this was one setup. Another setup comes from inside our types, because what we will do inside our tests, we will somehow simulate a browser environment inside our tests, and in order to do this we will need to somehow rewrite the global object. For this, let me write a new folder right here. I will call this 6 router, and in this router folder I will create just a simple sample.test.tsx. What I want to point out right here, a application that it will live inside a browser or inside a router, React router, will need a text encoder. And for this, all the tests for us regarding the router point we will need to rewrite the text encoder, or we will need to provide a text encoder implementation. We can do this with these two lines of code: import text encoder from util, and then we should add this text encoder to our global object. If we would have a lot of test files concerning React router, we would add this file, these two lines of code inside the test setup file right here. But since there will be only like two files which will test the router, I will simply add these two lines inside each file. But since we are using TypeScript requires some types. It wants to know about what is this util. The solution here would be to install the types for Node. I will install them, but the error shouldn't go away. So we also need the types for Node inside to test for React. I have added the types for Node, but we also need to specify the types for Node inside our tsconfig.json file. So at the types entry, we should also add Node. Let me save this and we should be good to go. Let's see in the next lecture what exactly we will test. So I will build a sample application and I will present it in the next lecture.